Hey Shyla, you feeling fine?
No, Katie, I'm not. Because I'm not sleeping well.
Today we're going to be making a sleepy pillow spray.
That will make the perfect atmosphere to help you sleep.
From your Simply Earth recipe box, grab your stickers, your recipe card, spray bottle, natural solubilizer, and your sleepy essential oil blends. You'll also need a quarter cup of distilled water. To start, we're going to mix our essential oil and our solubilizer. Our solubilizer is going to allow us to naturally mix our essential oils and water together in the spray, so the oil gets diluted throughout the water. Otherwise oils and waters don't mix, the oils will just float on top. To start, we're going to add 12 drops of our Sleepy Essential Oil blend. And then we're going to add 36 drops of our natural solubilizer. We're going to pause about every 12 drops or so to mix it, so that the solubilizer and the oil get really well mixed together. So once there's been 12 drops, we'll pause and mix it. And then we'll keep doing this until we get to 36 drops. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna slowly add our quarter cup of distilled water while we stir. Yeah, so it will create some bubbles because this solubilizer is also a natural surfactant, which means it has some gentle cleansing properties as well. From here, we pour it into our spray bottle and then it's ready to be used. So now we have our spray bottle ready to go. We put our label on it from a recipe box. You just spray your pillow, rest your weary head.
Whoa, now I'm feeling good.
To get everything you need for this recipe and learn how to use essential oils to help you rest better, check out simplyearth.com/box.
So don't forget to hit that subscribe now button to get all kinds of free content like our hero course and the free big bonus box. Thanks for watching.
Hey Shyla, you feeling fine?
First of all, it's upside down. Okay, let's do it. Okay, ready?